She gets Lucia's secret, no one can know.